Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are very happy to be with you today.
Today, we have a very special episode. We are going to talk about time. Specifically, we are going to learn the 12 months of the year.
This is essential vocabulary. You need the months to plan your vacations, to make appointments, and most importantly, to tell people when your birthday is.
That is right. Everyone loves birthdays. But before we can talk about birthdays, we need to learn the names of the months.
There are 12 months. We will learn them in groups. It is easier that way.
Let's start with the first 3 months of the year, the beginning of the year.
The first month is our first key word, January.
January, January.
January is usually a cold month in many countries. It is the start of the new year.
Let's look at examples. Example 1. New Year's Day is in January.
Example 2. It snows in January.
Example 3. School starts in January.
Now, listener, repeat after me. January.
One more time. January.
Great! The second month is a little difficult to pronounce. It is February.
February. February.
Many people say February, but the correct way is February. You need to pronounce the R slightly.
February is the month of Valentine's Day. It is a short month.
Examples for February. Example 1. My friend visits me in February.
Example 2. February has 28 days.
Example 3. It is cold in February.
Now, practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me. February.
Again, February.
Excellent! And the third month is March.
March. March.
March is when spring often begins. The flowers start to grow.
Example 1. We travel in March.
Example 2. March is a beautiful month.
Example 3. Easter is sometimes in March.
Repeat after me. March.
Very good. So we have January, February, March.
And remember the rule: in January, in February, in March.
You are doing great. We are halfway through the year. Let's look at the next group: July, August, and September.
Our next key word is July.
July. July.
July is a summer month. Many people go to the beach.
Example 1. Independence Day is in July.
Example 2. It is very hot in July.
Example 3. We go on vacation in July.
Repeat after me. July.
Next is August.
August, August.
The pronunciation is interesting. It sounds like August.
August is the end of summer holidays.
Example 1. We return to school in August.
Example 2. My sister is born in August.
Example 3. August is a busy month.
Repeat after me. August.
Very good. And then comes September.
September, September.
September is when autumn or fall begins. The leaves change color.
Example 1. Classes start in September.
Example 2. I like the rain in September.
Example 3. September has 30 days.
Repeat after me. September. Excellent. We are almost finished. We have the last 3 months: October, November, December.
Our next keyword is October.
October. October.
October is famous for Halloween.
Example 1. Halloween is in October.
Example 2. The trees are orange in October.
Example 3. It gets cold in October.
Repeat after me. October.
Next is November.
November. November.
November is the month before the end of the year. Thanksgiving is in November in the USA.
Example 1. We eat turkey in November.
Example 2. It rains a lot in November.
Example 3. My birthday is in November.
Repeat after me. November.
And finally, the last month, December.
December. December.
December is a very happy month. It is time for Christmas and New Year's Eve.
Example 1. Christmas is in December.
Example 2. We buy gifts in December.
Example 3. The year ends in December.
Repeat after me. December.
Wonderful! You now know the 12 months.
But Charlotte, what if I want to tell you the exact day of my birthday?
That is a great question. If you want to be specific, the rule changes.
When we talk about a specific day, we use the word on. This is our second grammar rule.
Remember the box? In is for the big box, the month. But on is for the specific day on the calendar.
So I say, my birthday is in November, but my birthday is on November 13th.
Exactly. When you have the number, use on.
Let's practice this difference. Example 1. Halloween is in October. Halloween is on October 31st.
Example 2. Christmas is in December. Christmas is on December 25th.
Listener, repeat after me. In December, on December 25th.
There is one small detail for dates. In English, we do not say 1 or 2 for dates. We use ordinal numbers.
We say first, second, third, fourth.
So we do not say May 1, we say May 1st.
We do not say July 4. We say July 4th.
It is a small change, but it makes you sound like a native speaker.
Let's do a final review. We learned the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
We learned that for general months, we use in January.
And for specific dates, we use on January 1st.
I hope you are ready to celebrate your birthdays in English now.
Before we go, we have a motivational phrase for you.
Since we are talking about months and time, our phrase is make every month count.
Make every month count.
It means that every month is an opportunity. January is a chance. February is a chance.
Do not wait for the perfect time. Use this month right now to learn and grow.
You are doing a fantastic job learning English. Keep going.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.